China, once again, proves that it owns our asses as a nation, okay? Let's take a step back. It unleashed COVID, okay, in 2020 that killed millions of people with zero accountability to this day. It flies spy balloons all over the country, no consequences, nobody says anything. It buys land, like you said, Kayvon, all over the United States, including, I think it's 400,000, think about that, guys, acres of farmland, some of them next to our military bases. That's whatever. They have carte blanche to do whatever. Nobody cares. And we let tens of thousands of Chinese illegal immigrants into this country. And you just said it. What a coincidence. All this happens 3 months after Gavin Newsom was blowing Xi in San Francisco.
First time they clean up San Francisco.
Dude, by the way, what happened to those homeless people that they got rid of? Anybody?
They burned
them. They just burned them.
I
I think they're in Seattle.
Can I add to that list?
Go!